Okay, dear subscribers, we've got some animals here today. They just won't leave me alone. Let's see, 1995 Subaru Sambar dump truck, 4-wheel drive, and I did a lot. Did we do a lot? He said yes. There's a bunch more there. They will be here shortly. Yeah. And I need to put something there. So this one is got 57,200 miles. And I better grab that because I've done a lot to this truck. So it's a 1995 Subaru Sambar. Oh man, I forgot my American flags, but I'll put them later. 4-wheel drive dump truck. This is very nice. I barely, cosmetically, I didn't do almost nothing to the cab, but I did paint the dump bed. You know, working truck dump bed, all scratched inside, and I didn't do it. I'll show you guys in a minute. So on this truck, I got toolbox too here, nice toolbox, and I put brand new battery cover. So brand new wheels. I'll go by the script here because so AC works great on this one. Serviced, new tires. Thanks Steve from Oklahoma. He bought one Daihatsu Hijet from me, dump truck, and he knew I like those wheels, and he sent me wheels back. So thanks a lot, Steven. And so brand new tires, and they are for dump truck rated. It's a Dunlops. I ordered them from Texas. Okay, the rims is size 13, bigger rims, and also I put 1.5 inch spacers. I mean, I can take them out. Okay, really, they don't do much. Maybe barely, they barely sticking out, the wheels, barely, not much here. So I might just take them off, and it depends. If customer wants them, I'll leave them. If not, I'll take them off. So the timing belt been replaced. Timing belt kit. So it's a water pump, crankshaft seal I replaced, camshaft seal been replaced, new timing belt, new tensioner bearing. What else? New valve cover gasket with O-rings. Front brakes brand new. I replaced them. Rear, I ordered them, but they sent me. They are will fit, but they a little narrower than originals. So I decide not to replace them until the original will come. But the original brakes here, they're still not bad. 50, 60, 70% left. So they're not that bad. But I will have the brand new ones. So also I did order, let me walk around here, those lights I need to fix. I don't know, it's probably clearance lights. This is a nice truck here. AC is located right there. Here's the расширительный бачок, wherever your coolant reservoir. Let's go underneath first. I could have put 2-inch lift kit, but no. Here's a little booger, a little tiny, some kind of scratch, or maybe scratch probably. Fancy bumper. Here's some kind of fancy truck driver, probably again the owner. This will be cool if somebody will put here the clearance lights, you know, like semi trucks have 5 of them on the corners and 3 in the middle. So I put brand new windshield wipers. I did paint toolbox and the whole bed, not underneath but from outside. Very nice truck, very nice truck. So on this dump the sides comes out too. The crazy cat. You just open that and the sides comes out, and you can take completely sides off and it will become the flatbed. So let's go inside of the engine bay. I'm gonna show you guys more outside a bit. Getting cold. So I did order the O-ring, so apparently it's not leaking now, but because I replaced the valve cover gasket with that O-rings here on the bolts. But also I did order that O-ring, it didn't came. It's for shaft, for the distributor shaft on the end. And I didn't put, since I'm gonna take it off again, I didn't put new wires and new cap with the rotor. I just kept old ones, which they are fine, nothing wrong with them, but I will replace them. Timing belt replaced, water pump, oil filter brand new, transmission oil brand new. What else here? No, of course, engine oil, transmission oil, timing belt kit, valve cover gaskets. Our brand new spark plugs, yesterday I replaced them. And I think, oh, the brand new air filter. It's, I'll show you guys in a minute how to get to the air filter. So, and yeah, this nice tires, yeah, nice wheels, nice tires. Spare is good, I checked it, air there, still holding. Antenna intact, radio works, but as usual it's a Japanese radio. It's got to be replaced, it's on different frequency. And it's got fancy speakers on both sides. They are working. Oh, the seat got some tears. Yeah, I need to find somebody who can redo the seats, or I mean they sell seat covers, so you can just buy a seat cover. Nice, clean. The steering wheel, I don't like it, it's kind of awkward, and I will repaint it. It's leather, so I'm gonna send it, and they sell special paint for the leather. Signal, nice signal. You know, we'll go inside in a minute. Let's do the dump truck. Going up, heavy duty, very nice, going very fast. So to replace your air filter, you gotta take 5 bolts. That brand new air filter, I put it there. This is very nice truck, yeah. So I didn't paint underneath, that way people can see themselves. It's no rust or anything, it's just some, I mean this is nothing, tiny little surface rust. Piston, perfect shape, no leaks, nothing there. So yeah, very nice truck. Here is the AC unit here, spare. Also it comes with the Japanese shovel. I got special shovel. I should have put it on, but maybe next time. Yeah, very good truck. Somebody will be very happy with this truck. And also I was constantly forgetting, we've got 2 more locations in Washington. It's a Sequim, Washington, and what is that? Shoreline, Seattle, basically. And my brother got over, I don't know, maybe over 300 vehicles there in both locations. Any vehicles, not only mini trucks. He got anything, sports cars, whatever, RVs, dumps, bigger dumps. And what else? The utility light works. It's a little button here. Bing, 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 bing. Pong, pong. Yep. A very nice truck. Yeah. Very nice truck. Okay, now also I did replace, so front brakes brand new. I do have a video how I did work on this truck. I might post it later, it's not finished, but I'll post it anyway. So the front inner and outer CV boots replaced, brand new. The front axle oil brand new. Transmission and engine oil brand new. Fuel filter is there somewhere there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there, it's brand new. The old one wasn't too bad. The air filter wasn't bad either. So I did paint that. This has got some, they smashed it somewhere. So I put some paint. This is a very nice truck here, a very good truck. Dump, four-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, 5-speed, and it's got extra low gear if you need a creep somewhere around the property. Hopefully it's not going to be too long of a video. What else? Man, I replaced so much here, I don't even remember. Yeah, very good truck. Here's a maybe little tiny ding. That's the only two dings right here, is barely you can see, and that little one. But other than that, it's just in great shape. Yeah, very nice truck. The lights works, everything works. AC works. Let's start it. See, oh, getting colder. Here, high-low beam, and then we got that one is a parking brake and my belt. So here's the AC. So to turn AC, you just push that button. Oops, RPMs went up, so it's working. Here's the four-wheel drive button. You push it. Right there is your four-wheel drive. And then extra low gear. You got here's your regular speeds, but if you depress that harder, that's gonna be right there is your extra low gear. Yeah. So yeah, radio works, but like I said, it's gotta be replaced. So the speakers both sides works. I fixed that one. That one wasn't even hooked. Oh man, that's cold. It's already cold enough. Let's turn it off. The signal, nice one, yeah. Heavy duty. Heavy duty. Here is the button for the operate the dump. Yeah. Boom. And then it's lights work, everything works here. Come on, work. I just say it works. Okay, that works. Okay, if you put it here, it's probably no, probably in the middle. Right here. It's supposed to come on. Ah, yeah, it's gotta be jiggled a little. So I need a. It just needs to be cleaned. The connections needs to be cleaned. Windshield wipers works. Turn signal 91,000 kilometers. So usually before 100,000 kilometers you have to replace the timing belt, which I did. Brand new timing belt with a water pump and everything, and the crankshaft seal and camshaft seal, everything replaced. I'm gonna order handles, the original handles. The guy, I mean, he just put some kind of long handles with one bolt. Oh, right there, yeah. So I'm gonna order new handles. Yeah, you see what he did? Put metal. I mean, live in Japan, just buy original. Come on, man. but he's probably like me, hillbilly, which I'm good hillbilly. I learned how to fix everything properly now. Yeah, I think that's it. What else? Oh, we got some cigarettes there too. Japanese. Oh man, I remember I used to smoke them in Japan, in Tokyo. When I went there, they're still smoking that crap there. Okay, the cigarette lighter works probably. Smoker, but doesn't smell inside as smoke, surprisingly. Yep. Oh yeah, it's hot. So close, heat works. So everything works on this truck. Everything works. So if anybody interesting on this truck, especially like if you farmer or if you military, ex-military. I was in military, in Soviet Union military. Soviet Union military. Yeah, so I will give a discount always to farmer, military, and good people in general. And good people. Yeah. Here's our. I need to replace that phone number. So my new phone number is 937-510-8059. Sam. You can call me Russian American hillbilly, or some people calls me crazy Russian. Yeah, huh? Beauty. I just love it. I did very good job on this one. Painting and everything, and timing belts and brakes. Unfortunately rear didn't match, but they're still good, and I will buy them. I either replace them or I'll just keep them in the truck so the new owner can finish the old ones and then put new ones, so they will be here. Yeah, nice truck, very nice. One of the few of the best. Something like that went to Oklahoma to Steve, and he got Daihatsu, but his was 2000 model, this is 1995, and his was just in perfect shape. Probably, yeah, that's it, gotta be fixed. Something has to be done here. Some sumo wrestler probably was driving it, you know, he ripped it off, and he was probably laying with his belly on this because it's all, and he was turning right a lot. Okay, everybody have a blessed life, enjoy this beautiful day. Here's my friends, here's they running away somewhere. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it for sale all over the internet and my property, and then I'm gonna make another video. It's gonna be TT2 model, 1999 models. Have a good day.